invite real science here to show you some experiments, okay? Now, I have a paper for all of you. Can you say, thank you, Counselor, in a count of 3? Okay, I'm gonna count to 3 and all of us are gonna shout, thank you, Counselor, okay? Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Counselor. Very good. Okay, let's do it again. For the last time, we're gonna shout again. We're gonna shout again. Thank you, Counselor, okay? And the count of 3, this is the last experiment. And by the way, guys, sorry. Once I do this experiment, no one will go inside. No one will go inside, okay? Why? Because I'm gonna use this hot water. It's so hot, okay? So are you ready? Okay. Everybody, we're gonna count to 3 and say thank you, Counselor, right? Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Counselor! Go back. Go back. Okay, everyone, that is our last experiment. I hope you enjoyed the science show. By the way, parents, if you want to do the science show in your house, we can go to your place, just PM Real Sciences. And by the way, once again, thank you, Gamfrag, for inviting us. And please follow their Instagram so the next time they're gonna do a show same as this one, you're updated, okay? Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, guys. Bye.